Good morning, student. As we have completed the chapter that is why do we fall ill, even the revision, even discussion, we solve many questions, many doubts for all students. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is natural resources. Natural resources. So always keep in mind whatever the syllabus assigned by CBSE board, that topics we are going to cover for this year, because it is very mandatory to cover only that much portions due to the lack of time and the many resources. So today we are going to discuss about the natural resources. So this video will be based on the introduction, as the topic itself explains that natural resources, that means what are the contents on the earth. So what the earth made up from, what are the life existed, means what are the other natural resources which can take part to maintain the earth's surface, or we can say the earth's life. So there are many biotic, abiotic factors which take part to maintain the atmosphere or life on the earth. So depending upon their lives and non-living things, so it has been divided into two different types, that is the biotic and the non-abiotic, or living or the non-living things. So what topics or what can be discussed under this natural selection? As we know, our earth exists, so many things for the life purposes. Generally we need ambient temperature, right? We need a ambient temperature, water and the food. Of course there is a air, no doubt. As we are living on the earth, that means we, all kind of organisms, they need ambient temperature. Why I am saying ambient temperature? Ambient means ambient, right? Means optimum. We can say the optimum specific required temperature. Ambient temperature, water and food. That's why the life existed on the earth. So what are the many resources on the earth to whom we can say there are these are the resources available or present on the earth? As you know, there is a land, earth, right, water and air. These are the three main components or the resources available on the earth. Due to that, we can say our earth is existed or exists. As there is a three resources available on the earth, that is the land, water and the air. As we know, the outer crust, these are the resources. But what earth is covered? What is the name of that layer which is covered to the earth? Outer crust of earth, outer crust of air is called as a lithosphere. In exam, it may ask that fill in the blanks for 1 marks. So what is the name which is outer crust of the earth? So what can be called to the outer crust of the earth? That is nothing but the lithosphere. Outer crust of the earth is called as a lithosphere. As you know, there is a 75% water covered on the earth, right? Everybody knows that 75% water covered on the earth as is called as a hydrosphere. As we know, the water is called as a hydro, right? Hydro is nothing but the water. Water to water we can call as a hydro. As we know, there are 75% cover on earth, and that layer is called as a hydrosphere. That means there is a water on a particular layer, so that's why it is called as a hydrosphere. Now, as the another resources, right? There are three different resources, that is land, water and air. We discussed about the land, that is the crust, outer crust of the earth. It's called a lithosphere. Water, 75% water covered on the earth, it's called a hydrosphere. And last one, air covered to the whole earth. Air covered to the whole earth. For example, you cannot see the air, but this acts as a blanket because earth air is covered to the whole earth just like a blanket, outer to the air, just like a blanket. That layer is called as a atmosphere. जनरली we call as, जैसे कि हम बता दें कि हम एटमॉस्फेयर में रहते हैं. एटमॉस्फेयर मीन्स व्हाट? Is there any human beings, animals, or the plants? No. Whatever the by naked eyes you can see, or the life exists on the earth, as there is a air we can feel, but we cannot see the air, right? So, as the air covers whole earth, just like a blanket, that's called as a atmosphere. That is called as a atmosphere. As I said, there is a three different resources, that is land, water and air. So it can be like this: land, water, that is right, and air, right. So the land, which is called as the outer crust of the earth, that is lithosphere. Water, 70% water is covered in the earth, that is called the hydrosphere. And the air covered to the whole earth, just like a blanket, is called as the atmosphere. So these are the three different resources available on the earth. So if we combine, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere. These three different layers combine and form as a biosphere, called as a biosphere. Like if we combine, that is a lithosphere, right, hydrosphere and atmosphere. This combined layer is called as a biosphere. This combined layer is called as a biosphere. So, in exam, it may ask that if we combine, what is meant by biosphere, right? So, if we combine the three different layer, that is a sphere, we can say lithosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere combined form as a biosphere. Under biosphere, these three different spheres are existed. Combined is called as a biosphere. Sometimes it may confuse that only the lithosphere and atmosphere, maybe lithosphere and hydrosphere, or maybe hydrosphere and atmosphere. But keep in mind LHA, that is LHA is called as a B, that is a biosphere. LHA, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere and the atmosphere. This is a short form for keeping in mind. So this is regarding the natural resources. One by one, we will see what are the role of this, like land, water and air, to maintain this atmosphere, or we can say the biosphere on the earth for the human beings, or we can say the life on the earth. So one by one, we will discuss what is the role of all different resources which is available on the earth. So for today's, this is a small introduction regarding the natural resources. As we know, there are life exists on the earth, that is that need ambient temperature, water, food, air, right? And resources, that is the land, water, air. The outer crust of the earth is called as the lithosphere. Water, that is 70%. Water is covered on the earth, that is called the hydrosphere. And air is covered to the whole earth just like a blanket, is called as the atmosphere. And if you combine these three layers to form a biosphere, or you can say in the biosphere the three different spheres are available or exist. So this is regarding the natural selection, or you can say the small introduction over the natural resources. Means what are the resources and what we can call the specific resources. In the next topic, we will discuss about the breath of the life air, life air on the earth. If you have any problem regarding this, text me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.